Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina and welcome. Today's video is going to be a really exciting video. It is going to be my December Birchbox unboxing, first impressions, all of that jazz. So I haven't had a look yet. I'll have the price of Birchbox here. It is a monthly subscription and you get a box every month. And this month it didn't actually come in a box, but it came in this really lovely makeup bag. So it's like a green velvet with a rose gold star, and it's got a rose gold zip, and then the zip says B for Birchbox. So let's have a look inside. So I'm gonna kind of have a look on the website as we go along to tell you the prices of everything, so we can see the actual value of the box. So the first thing here is a Birchbox makeup brush. I'm just gonna take it out of the plastic. So it's got a really nice green handle with a copper rose gold thing there, and then it's a small angle brush. I like to use these sorts of brushes for nose contour or in the inner corners of the eye. So always love a brush. So let's have a look on the website and see how much this is. It doesn't have a name on here. Makeup brush. So do you guys get Birchbox? 221 products. Are you mad? Oh, here we go. Birchbox angled eyeshadow brush, and this is £4 on their website. You can actually buy things from their website. So we've got £4 so far. Next up, what's this? Brave New Care Minty Twinkle Twinkle Hair and Body Shimmer with mint, panthenol and hydrating sugar. Shimmer for skin and hair. Okay then, cool. So this is what it looks like. It's a little pot, and that is the colour of it. So probably not something I'm going to use, to be fair. Maybe in the summer. I always say I put it on my chest and my legs. I never do. So let's have a look and see how much this is. Brave, and this is a 50ml pot, and I probably wouldn't put this in my hair because my hair gets so greasy. This is £11.50. Let me see if it's open. Yeah. Oh, it smells really nice. I'm gonna put a little bit on my. Ooh, it's really pretty actually. Don't know if you'll be able to see that. Yeah, it's okay. You can't really see it, but it does smell nice, so perhaps I will use it just to smell nice, eh? Next up, this is the Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge, Mother of Pearl. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. Mild. Clean is a state of mind. Okie pokey. That's what it looks like there. Let's pop this on the website and just see how much this is. So this is £6, and on the website they do have a charcoal one. I probably would have preferred that. It'd be better for my skin. On the website here it says suitable for face and body. This 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a radiance boosting cleanser with a gentle exfoliator, so you can skip a step in your routine and in the shower. That's quite cute, yeah. Probably will give this a try. See if I can. Oh no, it's all sealed. I was gonna open it so we can smell it, but that's quite cute. Next in here there is a eyeshadow palette It's called Forgive Me eyeshadow palette, Naturally Yours. I can't see who it's by. Suzie Sookie. Let's have a look on here. I'll show ya. So this is £9 for 5 shadows. I'm probably not going to keep this. I'm probably going to save this for a giveaway because I have so many eyeshadows and they do look really pretty, but actually they do look pretty. Maybe I'll try it. I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't keep it because I have so much. This would actually be really good for travelling, and that colour there is really calling me. Okay, maybe I will keep it. I paid for the box though. So next in here is a Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. This sounds lovely. It's got really nice cute packaging. Obviously this is a sample size, it's 13 grams. Let's see how much the full size is. And let's see if it's open and we can have a smell. No, it's sealed, but I'm gonna unpeel it. I can't really smell it. No, can't smell anything. So the full size is £39.90 and you get a little brush and you get 58ml. So just show you on my phone, that is the full size. So quite an expensive product. I personally wouldn't pay £40 on a face mask because I ain't got that kind of money. But yeah, I'm gonna obviously try the sample. Oh, I've seen this in Boots before and I really wanted to try it. This is an IQ Infusions Thermal Treatment Wrap for the hair, and it's a detox and balance mask with blueberry, blackberry and sea kelp extracts. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to see how much they charge for on here. But I used to work in Boots and I remember seeing this, and they have a pink one and a green one as well. It's £5.95 on the Birchbox website. But yeah, I really wanted to try this, so I'm happy with this. Let's see what you do. Natural extracts of thermal technology assisting in detoxing and returning balance to the hair while strengthening. Blah blah blah. Rinse hair and dry slightly. Slip the wrap over the head and fix with the sticker. Leave on for 15 to 25 minutes and massage frequently. Thoroughly rinse and use at least 2 to 3 times a month. So I don't know if you can reuse this or not, probably not, but candy kittens, more than just a pretty taste, wild strawberry. I love these. Like I said, I used to work in Boots and I used to get these on my break all the time. They're really nice, and this is wild strawberry flavour. I love strawberry. They're vegan, gluten-free and palm oil free. So yeah, really cute little addition there. And that is the last thing that's in my box. And there is a little card in here. I am really sad to say I have actually cancelled my Birchbox subscription just because I haven't really got money to be spending every single month. But there is a code on here. It says 35% off on our website with code Birchbox35. So if you would like to get yourself a Birchbox, you can do it for 1 month, or you can do a continuous thing. You can cancel at any time. So yeah, if you want to try it, you can get yourself 35% off. I think I will keep hold of this. I don't know when it's valid until, but if I see one with really good products, then I will get it. But it's just because, like, I don't know, I think it's good if you're starting out in makeup and beauty and you have a bit more disposable income and you want to try new products. Often I have got quite a big skincare and makeup collection. I don't need any more. The reason I did this was because I wanted the frozen box, which I'll leave a link up here. That was my last video, my last Birchbox unboxing. It was Black Friday and I got 2 boxes for £5, which was so good. So yeah, make sure you check that one out. But yeah, I'm actually like quite happy with everything, and I will actually use everything, probably except for the glowy thing. I've kind of rubbed it on my hand, it's a little bit glittery, I don't know if you can see, but and I really like that you got a bag this month, so the box would just end up in the bin. So yeah, nice December edition. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with that box. If you've got Birchbox, let me know if you got these same products or different, and if you don't get Birchbox, let me know what you liked from my box. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, click the red button down below to subscribe, and then you can be notified when I upload a new video. So thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you next time.